Welcome to coolguts.com. Do not forget to like and subscribe our channel, press bell icon to get latest updates. In this video, we will learn about VPN. VPN is Virtual Private Network. How you can hide your country location and identity through VPN. Welcome to coolguts.com. Let's understand in simple steps how to change your location through VPN. And what does VPN do, so that how you can hide your identity through VPN. But before that, you need to install a free VPN. How to install a free VPN? For that, you need to go to Play Store if you have Android phone or App Store if you have an Apple phone. Then search for free VPN. Download the one with highest rating. For example, Super VPN. Install it with basic permissions. Now you are ready to go. Since you have installed VPN, now you need to change location of your home country. Open the VPN, log into it, click on location. It will ask you to choose the country that you would like to set as your location. Select any country. Press connect. That's it. Same can be understood through following 3 pictures. In picture 1, you are asked to select country. Once selected, you click on connect as per picture 2. Once connected, you will ask for simple permissions as per picture 3. That's it. Now you can open any website that you want. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching Coolguts. You can visit us on coolguts.com also.